So, I told you guys in the live stream that I have an unboxing. Here it is. Well, actually, before we do that, I want to show you something else that I got that kind of relates to the unboxing. It didn't come boxed, so I'll just show you anyways. A little bit of a backstory first. Apparently, my uncle, a number of years ago, told his boss that I like buses because, I guess that's stuff that they talk about at work. And apparently his boss collects old books. Well, anyways, a couple days ago, he gave my uncle this book and remembered that I liked buses from a number of years ago. I just want to show you a couple things in here. It's actually pretty cool. So as you can see, the author of this book is David Jacobs, and this is American Buses. It's mostly a bunch of, well, as you can see, Greyhound and urban transportation, but it's still a pretty cool book. So it's more or less just a bunch of pictures of buses with some captions, but still none of the less cool. As you can see, these are also older vehicles as well, and these pictures were taken in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I need to readjust the lighting here first. So this is definitely my favorite set of pages. As you can see, there's a fishbowl over on the left, which is definitely my favorite transit bus by far. And we have a Ward and a Wayne over on this side, both of these again from Dallas. The publishing date and copyright date are both 1985, so I doubt you can really get this anywhere. Still nonetheless really cool, and I hadn't seen it before, so cool piece to add to the collection. Now to the main unboxing. Alright, let's take a look and see what's in here. Alright, we have got a couple different things in here, so let's take a look at them. Now the first thing we got is a Chevy chassis brochure from 1981, and I saw this on eBay for like super cheap, so I couldn't not pick this up. So as you can see, it's in really good condition. Let's take a look on the inside. So over here you can see we got the P30 chassis, which is used for stuff like the Mini Bird or the Mighty Mite. Over on the right side we got the actual cutaway chassis for buses like the Busette, which is pictured, or the Minotaur or the Microbird, stuff like that. Over here on the inside we have the full-size Chevy chassis, as you can see, placed on a Bluebird body. And then of course it just gives the specs and talks about why you should choose it over, say, Ford or International. So this is definitely a super cool piece that I'm looking forward to adding. And the date is July of 1980. Now I actually ordered 2 of these, but the guy sent me a third one. So, I ordered 2 of these because, like I said, they were super cheap. I didn't know what the condition of them were in, so if one of them was really crap, I'd at least have one decent one, but now I have 3 of them, so that's cool. And then this next one is a late 80s, pretty much same thing, Chevy chassis brochure. This one's a lot bigger, though. This one's like an actual book, as you can see. And again, I ordered 2 of these, so yeah. So the first page over here looks like it's just talking about the engine specifications and what it does better than other engines. And on this page, it's talking about the Chevy van chassis. So as you can see at the top, it'll seat either 16 students or 12 adults. And this next page is the next one up. As you can see, it fits 20 students. So it's the same chassis, just a tiny bit bigger. Over here we have the P30, as you can see, like I was saying earlier with the other one, it can run on chassis such as the Mini Bird or the Mighty Mite or the Carpenter Cadet. And over here we have the full B60 chassis, which, as you can see, uses the Bluebird body once again. As you can see over on the left, we have features that can be found nowhere else. And it looks like it again over here on the right side of the page. And that is it. Alright, so it looks like that is it. Like I said, I couldn't not pick these up at the price they were. They were super cheap, so I had to get a couple of them. So yeah. If you are interested in actually seeing in-depth pictures and reading the pages of these brochures, I'll put pictures up on Flickr if you're interested. The link will be down below. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and another one will be coming soon. So yeah, I always love unboxing this stuff because it's just cool history, So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or those things are going to be ridiculously expensive if you want to order one. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy in a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it, and thanks for watching.